So it's been a while. This time we'll try out the ReStory demo. I have already finished with the demo gameplay, so this is pretty much a showcase of the game. As you can see, I have already reached day 18 and of 25,000 yen. Chill game. It reminds me of some stuff I've done. So yeah, basically you play as the technician, as an active technician, repair technician, and you pretty much repair consoles. This is a PlayStation first generation. It kind of reminds me of my childhood days. Me and my brother, we used to tear apart broken things and try to repair them. I have found some inaccuracies, of course. Like, there's no way this is just that simple to disassemble. I know, but it's spiritual game. So far, the story is interesting as well. You have to deal with the local, um, really significant, or not, maybe significant. I look at the culture of the early 2000 culture. That's it. It's a game. It has some interesting aspects like using different tools to clean a console. You can also hear some challenges here and there. It's always fun. But yeah, if you want to show experience, you can also play the demo without buying the full game. It's yeah, it brings back memories. The forest was hatched by our government years ago. Me and my brother used to buy stuff off the internet, like broken down devices and parts, so we could repair them and then sell them for a big bucks. After our government commented that and made it so that we would have to declare taxes on it, uh, our dad made us uh, close down shop. I miss it. We can see here how we have like charts, which depending on the machine you can use. So yeah, brings back memories. Although I wish it was that easy to repair something. God knows I have memories of the SP. Not negative experience to repair the KWS. It was the most unfriendly repair unfriendly thing I've ever seen. That and a couple of items basically, especially the latest edition. Oh yeah, it's a great game. Kind of like it. I think I'm going to keep playing it. There are various customization options. This guy is a freak. The mailman. like a bit obsessed with the girl. But then again, the girl could be claiming. In any case, we just sold the phone he bought with his savings, and she nearly broke. So that was fun. But yeah, it's a tasty game. It has like some effort in realism. You do have to use various tools to clean devices and repair them. You also have to remember the correct order, which you have to put them back together. All in all, it's a very interesting game. Come on. Here. Oh, by the way, if you try to install a zip file, it will tell you. Like, you don't have to worry about it. As long as you fully disable the files. Because even though it has the same code, once you remove it and you turn it around, you will see that it will be good. So yeah, in this game, it's better to disassemble something from the beginning instead of doing the whole thing and then a message will pop up and say something isn't right, and then you have to remove it all over again, uh, which is quite tedious. Nice. Okay, sorry. Oh, I put my attention. I used to have one of those. And they ended up not working eventually, and I just took it apart as a child. And yeah, let's just say it's not that easy. Like, none of the real life counterparts of these devices is that easy to to take apart. This is a very simplified game mechanic. There's honestly no one else other than a crazy guy who tried to just do that for fun. Unless you're me. I'm pretty sure I have somewhere around here a box of parts as well. In my space somewhere. I don't know, it's been a while. I definitely have a collection of screws, which, by the way, this game doesn't have to replace them. Like, you automatically have screws, and I'm like, that's neat. Like, half the challenge. Putting it back together and then seeing that there are a bunch of screws left over, you're like, how did this screw come from? So yeah, it's a pretty fun game. Over here we have various parts. Devices which we have taking apart in pretty much half the parts over here. You can see how several of these parts have like the orange mark over here. That means they are broken. There are no broken parts. The broken ones are immediately cut off. So you don't have to worry about it. What you do have to worry about are bills and the rent coming in, as well as slight chance of protection money if the story is to be believed. But yeah, it's a pretty easy game. And of course, get the end of the day stuff. So yeah, that was the game. Pretty fun game overall. Although as of now, there's nothing to write home about. Uh, yeah, that's it basically.